Hey guys, today we're gonna be making homemade Vietnamese coffee. First you need is a Nguyen coffee premium blend. No, personal reference. I like this better. I try all the other one. Yeah. And you will need was it longevity brand sớm thọ condensed milk sweet. You will need a cup and a Vietnamese coffee filter. Some of them come in two parts, but this one come in three. And I like to buy the one, see, this one has holes. And I like to buy the one that has a little stick inside. Little metal sticks. It's easier, it helps to balance so it won't tilt and pour over, no, it'll pour down faster. So, also by, personal reference too. Anyways, first you need to do is basically pour 3 tablespoons 3 tablespoons of coffee, 2 and 3, and then you shake it all up, to make it even. Then you put in this filter, not filter, this thing with the holes on it, I guess a filter, but you put it in and you press it down. You press it down, now not too hard, but no, just a good amount so it doesn't tilt to the side, Then after that, when you pour the water in, you pour it into some people like to pour a little bit, just so the coffee can expand. It would be slow drip, but I would, for my way, I just pour it on this tip and to this level, basically, to the stick. Pour it on the stick and to the stick, the level of the stick. Okay, here we go. Pour it in there, onto the stick, halfway, Then after that you just close the cap and just wait about maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and after that you pour another half over, all together maybe about 20 to 30 minutes. Just let it rest, Anyways, while we're waiting for that, I'll be back. Alright guys, roughly about 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's done dripping, and what we're gonna do is pour the second one in and pour to the stick's level again. And after that you close the cap, and this one take a little longer because the coffee expand, so maybe about 10 to 15 minutes. I don't know, we'll have to time it. Some people, the first time they do is they pour in a little bit, right, for the coffee expand, and they pour the whole thing in for the second time, like the top basically. But I do half, personal reference. Anyways, now we're gonna wait for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll be back. Alright guys, look like it's about 15 minutes. It's done dripping. Right, you take out the filter, flip it upside down, so you can just put it in there so it doesn't drip. About to dripping. So it's roughly about 15 minutes. It's done. Anyways, that's the reason why I use this jar right here, right? Because once you open a condensed milk, some people just put a plastic, saran wrap on top of it, make all the mess. But I like mine to be clean, so basically buy along the seal jar and just pour it in there, And here's what you need to do. It's just like now maximum you should only put is 2 tablespoons. I put about a tablespoon and a half. You know, so this is a over the spilling about roughly about a tablespoon and a half, basically. That's how I like mine. You know, dark. That's a 1 tablespoon. Right. Let it drop in there. This is the same thing as condensed milk. You know. Then I grab roughly about a half, depending on how sweet you want it. Now you want it like strong, put 1 spoon. You know. Well. You know. And that's it. You know. So now you stir it up. You know. Put this aside. Just stir it up. Now you like to drink it warm like this, up to you. Now some people just like to drink it black. If you're gonna drink it black without condensed milk, just put sugar on it, and that's it. You like to drink it warm, leave it warm. But if you like to have a cold, put crushed ice on both of them. You know. So stir it up, beat it up, put some air into that, and now you got a perfect, Vietnamese coffee, basically, to my reference. That's it. All it takes is about, so I did 15 minutes and another 3 to 5 minutes, about 20 minutes basically, to have it done. Anyways, that's it. Enjoy, hope to see you guys next time. Okay, bye bye.